When I think back to my time studying abroad, it feels like both a lifetime ago and yesterday. The world was different then, no smartphones to guide us, no social media to keep us connected. Yet, even as the world has changed, the lesson I learned remains as relevant today as they were decades ago. If I could offer advice to students considering studying abroad, it would be this. It is not just being in a new country, it's about how you engage with that country and the people who live there. At first, I thought studying abroad would be a straightforward experience, new friends, new classes, and a fresh start. And in many ways, it was. But the real value of studying abroad comes from how you choose to live in that new place. It's not just about academic, it's about stepping out of your comfort zone and engaging with the local culture, learning from the people around you, and gaining new perspectives on the world. I saw many students who, despite being abroad, stuck to what was familiar, spending time mostly with others from their home country, eating the same food, and rarely venturing beyond the classroom and dorms. They explored tourist attractions, of course, but didn't dig deeper into the local culture. They were just passing through, not really experiencing the country in a meaningful way. Looking back, this was one of the biggest missed opportunity. The true benefit of studying abroad isn't just encountering new ideas, it's about learning to see world differently. It's about recognizing that no matter where were we from, we share common human experiences, fears about the future, hopes for our families and career, and a desire for love and happiness. These shared emotions are what truly connect us all. I didn't find it hard to look beyond the surface of the cultural differences. In fact, I found it fascinating and enlightening. I didn't just see the new food or customs, I saw the ways people live shape their worldviews, and I realized that we are all asking the same big question. Yes, we came from different backgrounds, but at the core, we were all grappling with the same fears, desires, and dreams. Many students, though, missed this. They stayed in their familiar circles and never truly engaged with the local culture. Studying abroad is not just about the classroom or famous tourist spot, it's about immersing yourself in the local culture, learning from the people around you, and gaining a deeper understanding of how others think and live. One of the best ways I immersed myself in the local culture during my time in the UK was through part time jobs. I worked several jobs in cafes, retail stores, and local businesses, and this gave me the chance to interact with local in a real everyday setting. It wasn't just about making extra money. It was about getting to know people from all walks of life. These interactions helped me to learn about their values, struggles, and aspirations in ways that studying in a classroom or visiting tourist spots could never match. Of course, the academic benefits of studying abroad can't be discounted. The exposure to different teaching methods and educational system is incredibly valuable. I saw firsthand how academic culture in the UK encouraged independent studies, critical thinking, and problem solving. It wasn't just about memorizing facts, it was about learning to think for yourself and approach challenges with a new perspective. That experience shaped the way I approach my work and learning even today. But the real growth happens outside the classrooms. It's about navigating the challenges of living in a foreign country, developing new skills, and connecting with people who think and live differently from you. The more you immerse yourself in the culture, whether that's by learning the language, trying local foods, or forming relationships with the local, the more you come to realize that despite our differences, we all share similar hopes, fears, and dreams. Unfortunately, too many students today fall into the traps of isolating themselves from the local culture. They live in a bubble, staying only with people who share their nationality and miss out the deeper, more transformative aspect of studying abroad. By doing this, they miss the opportunity to develop a global mindset and a greater sense of empathy for people from different backgrounds. So, to those of you considering studying abroad, I urge you to do more than just exist in a foreign country, live it. Engage with it, learn the language, explore the customs, and spend time with the locals. Don't just be a tourist in your own life. This experience will not only help you understand others more deeply, but it will also help you understand yourself in new ways. You will come to realize that at the heart of it all, we are more alike than we are different. If you approach studying abroad with an open mind and heart, it will be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. But remember, the real transformation does not happen in the classroom. It happens when you step outside of your bubble and connect with the people who have different stories to tell. That's where the true value lies.